Phase full bridge inverter. So that the configuration single full bridge inverter. The inverter used two pair of control switch S1 S2 and S2 S3 S4 and two pair of diode D1 D2 and D3 D4. The device of one pair operator simultaneously in order to develop a positive voltage across the load switches S1 and S2 are turned simultaneously, whereas to have a negative voltage across the loads we need to turn the switch S3 and S4 diode D1, D2, D3 and D4 are known as feedback diode. The getting signal of the switch pair S1, S2 and S3, S4 are shown in figure 9. For resistive loads, the switch pair S1, S2 closes for the time interval O is less than T by 2 and output voltage becomes plus V at T is equal to T by 2 S1, S2 pair turn off and simultaneously S2, S4, S3, S4 pairs turn on the make V sub 0 is equal to minus V at T is equal to बड़का T S1, S2 pair is again closed to make V0 is equal to बड़का V and the cycle repeat by operating the two switch pairs. Getting signal switch S1 S2 T by 2 T3 T by 2 2T S3 S4 T by 2 T3 T by 2 2T. Getting signal for which S3 S4. Getting signal for S1 S2 and S3 S4 at the direct frequency. A signal square wave AC voltage is obtained at the output. The load current waveform is also a square wave with magnitude V by R as shown in figure 10. S1 S2 S3 S4 S1 S2 S3 S4. Voltage current waveform resistive load are a real load waveform of load voltage and load current is shown in figure 11. At T is equal to 0, the load current is at negative peak and its direction cannot reverse instantaneously due to inductive nature of the load. The dipole pair D1 D2 provided a path for negative current. The output voltage became positive V and negative loads current decay to 0 at T is equal to T1. During the period, energy is feedback to supply through the feedback diode D1 and D2 at T is equal to T1. The dipole pair D1 D2 minus V I0 V यहाँ से आएगा T2 T R voltage and current waveform for real load. Commutators and the switch pair S1 S2 which is already received the getting signal turn on its provide the path of positive load current. The load current build up at reach its peak value at T is equal to T by 2. At this instant which pair S1 S2 turn off, the positive current continuous at flow. The some more things up to T is equal to T2 through the diode pair D3 D4 as the load voltage is negative. The energy is feedback to the source at T is equal to T2 D3 D4 commuted as S3 S4 pair start conduction for the negative load current. Example 1. Inverter is used to convert DC to AC. How many power semiconductor device switch used in phase full bridge? A C4 CMPS means A switch modes power supply. The transformer is SMPS turned at the frequency D 50 kHz से 1 MHz. In a power supply with full wave rectifier is the input frequency in 50 Hz. The output frequency will be 100 Hz. The number of diodes used in the bridge rectifier are 4. By the use of filter circuit in a power supply B, the ripple factors decrease. The filter circuit generally used in a regulate power supply in a pi section. Now a good power supply must be have a low ripple factor and low voltage regulation. 10वां voltage regulation is defined as V into R is equal to E सर्विस में नो लोड माइनस ई सर्विस में विथ लोड अब्लिक ई सर्विस में विथ लोड. ए रेगुलेट पावर सप्लाई कांस्टेंट इज डी. ए पावर ट्रांसफार्मर, ए फुल वेव रेक्टिफायर विथ फिल्टर सर्किट, ए वोल्टेज रेगुलर एंड पोटेंशियल डिवाइडर, डी ऑल ऑफ एबव. 12वां ए गुड पावर सप्लाई हैज ए वोल्टेज रेगुलेशन, डी 1%. A high voltage regulated power supply use a voltage doubler with input voltage V equal to 200 sin 314 t volt. The output DC voltage will be a 400 volt. The function of an inverter is C to invert the input signal. 15वां an inverter is a DC operated transistor in CE configuration with input at base, output at the collector and emitter grounded. Integrated circuit. What is linear integrated circuit? Give the advantage and disadvantage of IC. 17, 18, 20, 19, 21, 22. Introduction. For more than half of century, electronic circuit have been assembled for individual component, resistor, capacitor, diode, transistor, etc. Such circuit are known as discrete circuit. Discrete circuit have two main disadvantages. Firstly, in the large there may be hundreds of components and consequently discrete assembly would occupy large space. Secondly, there will be considerable problem to reliability due to hundreds of solder points. To meet these problem of space conservation and relativity, engineer started a drive of miniaturized circuit. This led to development of microelectronics in the late 1950s. Microelectronics is a branch of electronics engineering which deals with microcircuit. Microcircuit is simply a miniature assembly for electronics component. One type of such circuit is integrated circuit, generally abbreviated as IC. The integrated circuit or IC is miniature low-cost electronics circuit consisting of active and passive components that are joined together on a single crystal chip of silicon. Most of the components used in IC are not similar to conventional components in appearance, although they perform similar electrical functions. In this chapter, we describe the basic process used in the fabrication of integration circuit. दूसरा advantage and disadvantage of integral circuit. Advantage: integrated circuit have the following advantage over discrete circuit. पहला, integrated system reliability due to elimination of solder point. दूसरा, extremely small size due to fabrication of various circuit elements in a single chip of semiconductor material. तीसरा, larger weight and space requirement due to miniaturized circuit. चौथा, reduction in power consumption. पांचवा, increased operating speed due to the absence of parasitic capacitance effect. छठवां, low cost because the simultaneous product of hundred of like circuit on a small semiconductor wafer. सातवां, great ability to operate at extreme value of temperature. Disadvantage: the disadvantage of integrated circuit are: पहला, it is non possible to fabricate inductor and transformer on the surface of semiconductor chip. दूसरा, if any component in IC goes out of order, the whole IC has to be repeated by new one. तीसरा, capacitance of resistor of limit is maximum value. चौथा, power dissipation is limited. Classification of integrated circuit: depending upon the functional unity, integrated circuit are classified as: पहला, linear IC, दूसरा, digital IC. From the struggle point of view, integrated circuit are classified as monotonic IC, these are thick and thin IC, hybrid IC. In monolithic integrated circuit, all circuit components, both active and passive components, are in their interconnection and manufactured on the top of the single chip of silicon. The monotonic circuit is ideal for application where ideal circuits are required in very large quantity and hence provided lowest per unit cost. Therefore, in this chapter we shall focus our attention to the construction of monolithic IC only. In the hybrid circuit, separate components parts are attached to a ceramic substrate and interconnected by means of either metallized pattern of with bound. This technology is more adaptable to small quantities. Custom circuit, in general thick thin film IC, are used to produce only the passive component. Table 1 given the total information about the IC families of the basic of subtract used, structure of IC, active and passive device used, and finally the application of IC. IC family properties: substrate monolithic IC, silicon, thick thin film, class ceramic, hybrid IC, class ceramic silicon. Structure: active and passive device along with interconnection on a single chip. Thick thin film में class ceramic passive component are fabricated on a substrate and then fabric active component are added along with interconnection. Hybrid IC, class ceramic silicon, passive device are interconnection on one insulation substrate with device with round दूसरा wire. Active device on single chip, while passive device along with interconnection on the thick thin film. Active device BJT MOSFET BJT MOSFET. पैसिव डिवाइस में डिफ्यूजन रजिस्टर, ऑक्साइड कैपेसिटर, मॉसफेट, ऑक्साइड कैपेसिटर, मेटल फिल्म रजिस्टर, ऑक्साइड कैपेसिटर. पहला फिल्म मेटल फिल्म रजिस्टर, सीमेंट रजिस्टर, ऑक्साइड कैपेसिटर, फिल्म मेटल फिल्म रजिस्टर, ऑक्साइड कैपेसिटर. एप्लीकेशन में लीनियर एंड डिजिटल आईसी, लीनियर एंड डिजिटल आईसी. Chip size and level of integration: depending upon the number of active device per chip, there are different level of integration as explained below. Small scale integration: when the active device per chip is less than so, then it is referred as small scale integration. SSI: most of the SSI chip use integrate resistor, diode and bipolar transistor. दूसरा मीडियम स्केल इंटीग्रेशन: व्हेन द काउंट ऑफ एक्टिव डिवाइस पर चिप इज बिटवीन 100 to 1000, देन इट इज रिफर्ड एज मीडियम स्केल इंटीग्रेटेड. MSI: इन मोस्ट द MSI चिप BJT एंड इनहांसमेंट MOSFET आर इंटीग्रेटेड. तीसरा लार्ज स्केल इंटीग्रेशन: व्हेन द एक्टिव डिवाइस पर चिप रेंज बिटवीन 1000 to 10,000, then it is referred as large scale integration. LSI: in general, LSI chip used more transistor, thus more number of components can be produced on the chip with MOS transistor than with bipolar transistor. चौथा very large scale integration: when the active device per chip are over 100 of 1000, then it is referred as very scale integration. VLSI: almost all modern chips employ VLSI technology. In general, of SSI level to VLSI level, the device density has been increased tremendously. Also, the chip area is increased from 1 mm² SSI to 1 cm² VLSI. The variation in chip area for SSI chip to VLSI chip is shown in figure 1. Recently, a new level of integration has been introduced, which is known as ultra large scale integration ULSI. In ULSI technique, more than 1 million active devices are integrate on a single chip platinum microprocessor used ULSI technology. Table 2 gives the categories of IC on the basis number of the active device. Note that the number of active device per chip is nothing but number of transistors per chip. Level of integration: small scale integration SSI, number of active device per chip लेस देन 100. दूसरा मीडियम ऑफ स्केल इंटीग्रेशन MSI 100 से 1000. तीसरा लार्ज स्केल इंटीग्रेशन LSI 1000 से 10,000. चौथा वेरी स्मॉल लार्ज स्केल इंटीग्रेशन VLSI ओवर 10,000. पांचवा अल्ट्रा लार्ज स्केल इंटीग्रेशन ULSI ओवर 1 मिलियन. 0.416 मीन्स 1 मिमी 1 मिमी 4 मिमी 4 मिमी 0.5 मिमी 20 मिमी. 10 मिमी C 10 मिमी 0.5 मिमी 20 मिमी. इंटीग्रेटेड सर्किट चिप SSI चिप MSI चिप LSI और VLSI चिप. बेसिक प्रोसेस यूज्ड इन मोनोलिथिक टेक्नोलॉजी. हियर वी शैल डिस्कस वेरियस प्रोसेस एंड मोनोलिथिक टेक्नोलॉजी. द बेसिक प्रोड्यूसन प्रोसेस फॉर मोनोलिथिक IC आर एज फॉलो. सिलिकॉन क्रिस्टल वेफर चिप और डाई. सिलिकॉन वेफर 15 से 50 मिली. सिलिकॉन वेफर प्रिपरेशन. वेफर प्रिपरेशन ए cylindrical P type silicon wafer called the substrate in prepare as shown in figure 2. The wafer are usually of 50 mm to 15 से 50 mm diameter or 200 micrometer thickness. The one side of wafer is polished to get rid of surface imperfection of IC are produced on wafer. The large view of circular rectangular P-type silicon substrate are shown in figure 3. Silicon P substrate. In large view of circular and rectangular P-type substrate, exponential growth. As N-type silicon layer of 15 micron thickness in growth on a P-type substrate by placing the wafer in furnace of about 1200 degrees Celsius and introducing a gas containing phosphorus donor impurity. The resulting structure is shown in figure 4. All active and passive components form on the thin N-type epitaxial layer grown over the P-type substrate. This layer becomes the collector region for the transistor or cathode for the diode or element of the capacitor. Exponential layer N-type substrate P-type. Exponential growth. Oxidation. In order to prevent the contamination of the exponential layer, a thin film of SiO2, a layer 1 micrometer thick, is deposited over the entire surface of exponential layer as shown in figure 5. This is achieved by passing pure oxygen over the exponential layer. The oxygen atom combine with pure silicon atoms to form a layer of silicon dioxide SiO2. Photolithography. N-pair exponential layer N-type, exponential layer P-type. Photolithography. In monolithic technique, a selective removal of SiO2 layer of form opening through with impurity may be diffused is required. For the purpose of photolithography is used as shown in figure 6a. The surface of oxide is first covered with thin ultraviolet P subtraction SiO2 mask. Photothrust SiO2 N layer P subtraction. Figure 6 masking and exposure of ultraviolet radiation. B selective opening in SiO2 layer. Uniform layer or photosynthesis emulsion. Photothrust. The mask a black and uniform label. A black and white negative of the required pattern is placed over the structure. When exposed to ultraviolet light, the photo rests under the transparent region of the mask. became polymerized. The mask is then removed and wafer is treated chemically that remove the exposed portion of the photoresist film. The polymerized region is curved so that it becomes resistant of corrosion. The chip is dipped in an etching solution of hydrofluoric acid, which removes the oxide layer non protected by the polymerized photoresist, thereby creating opening in SiO2 layer and shown in figure 6b, through which N-types and RP-types impurities and diffusion. The polymerized photoresist is removed with sulfur acid and by mechanical abrasion process. Isolation diffusion in the fabrication process is necessary to employ some means by which the component may be separated electrically. The diode isolation or dielectric isolation is commonly used for this purpose. In the diode isolation technique, the components are surrounded by reverse biasing p-n junction. Figure 7 shown the electrical isolation of integrated circuit component by p-n junction. In this process, the wafer is subjected to heavy p-type diffusion for long time intervals so that p-type impurities penetrated the n-type exponential layer and reach the p-type subtracted the area under SiO2 and n-type island that the completely surrounded by p-type modes. The disadvantage of this technique is the presence of double parasitic capacitance at the isolation p-n junction. These capacitance limit high frequency performance of the circuit, hence this technique is preferred for the general purpose ICs only. इसमें है आइसोलेट 1 एंड आइसोलेट 2 डिफ्यूजन पी टाइप इम्प्योरिटी जंक्शन आइसोलेशन पी एन जंक्शन आइसोलेशन पी सबट्रैक्शन एन इपाई कलेक्टर सिलिकॉन कंट्रोल रूबी EBC in dielectric isolation technique. The electrical isolation to which component is provided to surrounding them with a solid dielectric. The most commonly used dielectric are silicon dioxide, ruby, etc. It also fulfill the purpose of physical isolation. The dielectric layer thickness is large enough so that parasitic capacitance are negligible. The dielectric isolation technique is shown in figure 8. Metallization is a process in which the thin layer of metal is formed, which is used to make interconnection between the components on the chip as well as interconnection between its connection and the outside world. Fabrication of a typical circuit. The monolithical IC chip contain diode, transistor, resistor, capacitor and in their interconnection fabricated on thin silicon wafer. The fabrication is done by planar diffusion process. The term planar signifies that the transistor circuit for IC fabrication. ये B R do 1. Fabrication is done on almost flat wafer surface. We give step involved in the fabrication of transistor circuit shown in figure 9. Step 1. Epitaxial growth. A p-type silicon wafer of about 150 micrometer thick is starting material. This is known as substrate. An n-type exponential layer nearby 25 micrometer thick is growth on the substrate. After poaching and cleaning, a thin layer of SiO2 about 1 micrometer thick is formed over the exponential layer. The SiO2 layer formed on the top of exponential layer is shown in figure 10a. Step 2. Isolation diffusion. By the photo Lithographic process described in section 5. The oxide layer is removed at the three selective region on the surface. The wafer is then subjected to isolation diffusion in which accept impurities such as boron are diffused, although the portion where oxide has been removed, the SiO2 on the other portion of the surface prevent the diffusion of impurity. The isolation diffusion is performed over long time interval required for acceptor impurities to pass through N-type expansion layer and reach the P-type substrate. The N region are called isolation island or isolation region 10b figure because they are electrically isolated by two back p-n junction. The isolation of N-type region occurs when the P-type substrate is kept at negative potential with respect to island. The resulting reverse biasing p-n junction offer high resistance, thus giving electrical isolation. Step 3. Base diffusion. A new oxide layer is formed on the wafer surface. The photolithography process is again used to produce the pattern of opening shown in figure 10c. The acceptor impurities are diffused through the opening. The base region of the transistor and the resistor are formed. The diffusion times is so controlled that the acceptor impurities do not reach the substrate. SiO2 N-type expansion layer, P-type subtraction, isolation island, NP, P-type subtraction, P subtract P-N, NPN, P1, CBE134 transistor, NPN metals R12, PN resistor, P subtract DE. Figure 10. Step for the fabrication of monolithic circuit. Step 4. Emitter diffusion. A oxide layer is again formed on the wafer surface and the photolithography process is used to etch always the oxide over one of the P region to open window. Donor impurities of diffusion through the window are produce the emitter of the transistor. Figure 10. Step 5. Metallization. A new layer of SiO2 is developed on the entire surface by photographic process. Several windows are opened at the place where electrical contact have to made. A thin layer of aluminum is formed on the entire top surface by vacuum deposit technique. The undesired area of aluminum are etched away using a photoresist mask, leaving the connecting strip as shown in figure. The leads are then attached to thin strip. Thus E is monolithic IC from the circuit. Figure 9. The terminal masked 1, 2, 3 and figure 4 और figure 10 E correspond those. What is photoresistor? 19, 20, 18, 20, 17, 18, 19. The phototransistor has a light sensitive collector based junction. This is used is common emitter confusion. The device is housed in a case having a little holes made on the surface near the collector base junction. A small lens is fixed on the holes to allow the focused light beams to incident on the collector base junction. When no light is incident, small leakage current flow from collector to emitter called 1 plus beta ICO and बराबर ICO due to small terminal generation. This is very small circuit on the order of Na. This is called dark current. When collector based junction is exposed of light, electron hole pair are produced and this produce the base current which is proportional to light intensity. Such photo induced base current is denoted as R I suffix में L, the resulting collector current is given by I suffix is equal to 1 plus beta question ICO plus IL. The surface of a photo transistor is shown in figure 11A, while the symbol is shown in figure 11B. To generate more baser current proportional to light laser physical area of the base exposed to light, emitter, light based collector construction, symbol photo transistor. In figure 12a show the graph of base collector current against the radiation flux density measured in MW public C m square. The figure 12b show that typically डार्क करेंट 10 मेगा वोल्ट सी एम स्क्वायर 20 मेगा वोल्ट सी एम स्क्वायर 30 मेगा वोल्ट सी एम स्क्वायर 40 मेगा सी एम स्क्वायर. रोटेशन फ्लक्स डेंसिटी मेगा ओम सी एम स्क्वायर. हेंस करेंट 50-75 i/5 माइक्रो. फोटो ट्रांजिस्टर characteristic curve. A photo transistor, as the light intensity increase, the base current increased exponentially. Similar, the collector current also increased corresponding to the increase in the light intensity. The photo transistor can be either a 2 leads or 3 leads device. In a 3 leads device, the base leads is brought out so that it is be usable to conventional BJT with or without the light intensity feature. In a 2 leads device, the base is not electrically available and device used in totally light depends the used to photo transistor as to a 2 leads device is shown in figure 13. Amplification photo transistor. The various photo transistor application are punch card, computer logic circuit, lighting control, level indicators are relay. Photo transistor in 2 lead device ARC VCC. Light operator relay circuit. The light operator relay circuit using photo transistor is shown in figure 14. The transistor Q1 is a photo transistor while the transistor Q2 is the conventional BJT. When the light is incident on the photo transistor Q1 conduct heavily, which derived as a Q2 into saturation. Hence the collector current flow through the coil of energy. The diode act as a protecting device which protects Q2 from large voltage transistor to occur at the collector of Q2 when transistor turn off. Light interpretation system. Photo transistor is also used in alarm circuit. One such light interruption system using photo transistor is shown in figure 15. Normally, the photo transistor is on switch holds the gate of SCR low, hence keeping in off. When the light is interrupted, the photo transistor Q1 becomes off. The high voltage swing at the collector of Q1 turn on SCR. On this activate the alarm system, the so which S be used in reset alarm. Light operation relay circuit, relay coil, relay contact, light interface system R1, Q1, R2, SCR, alarm switch. Write the nodes of UJT. यूनी जंक्शन ट्रांजिस्टर UJT. N 18, 20, 17, 16, 15, 10. An uni junction transistor commonly known as UJT in 3-terminal switching device. This device is a unique characteristic that when it is triggered, the emitter current increased generally until when it is limited by emitter power supply. Due to characteristic, the uni junction transistor can be employed in the variety of application, e.g. pulse generator, sawtooth generator, etc. Best P2 P-type emitter, heavily doped emitter E, N-type based one construction, N-type silicon bar lighting doped E, B2 B1. Uni junction transistor construction. 16A and 16B respectively show the constructional feature of the circuit. Symbol of UJT as shown in figure. It consists of a slab lightly doped N-type silicon material. The two base contacts are attached to both ends of N-type surfaces. These are denoted as B1 and B2 respectively. A P-type material is used to from P-N junction closer to the base B2. The third terminal emitter is taken out from this P-type material. The N-type is lightly doped while P-type is heavily doped. As N-type is lightly doped, it provides high resistivity, and P-type heavily doped provided low resistivity. Equivalent circuit of UJT figure 17 shown the equivalent circuit of UJT. The terminal resistance of two base repeatance as RB1 and RB2. In the actual construction, the terminal E is closer to B2 as compared to B1, hence the resistance RB is more than R B2. The PN junction represented by a diode with B voltage dropped across it with no voltage applied to the UJT. Then the resistance between the two based B1 and B2 called inter-based resistance donor as RBB is equal to RB1 plus RB2. Its value generally lies between 4 kilo ohm to 10 kilo ohm. If a voltage VBB is applied between the base with a meter opened as shown in figure 18, the voltage with divide across RB1 and RB2, the voltage across RB1 is given by equivalence circuit of UJT. V1 is equal to RB1 बटा के RB1 plus RB2 VBB V1 बटा के VBB is equal to RB1 बटा के RB1 plus RB2. The ratio V1 बटा के VBB is called intrinsic stand off ratio and represented by neta. Neta is equal to RB1 बटा के RB1 plus RB2. The value of neta lies between 0.51 and 0.82. The voltage dropped across RB1 is given by V1 is equal to N neta BB VE RE V sub D RB2 B2 RBB is equal to RB1 plus RB2 when I sub E is equal to 0. UJT with applied V1 is equal to neta BB. The value of neta lies between 0.51 and 0.82. The voltage drop across RB1 is given by the voltage neta BB appear across RB1 reverse bias the diode. Therefore the emitter current is 0. Now if the positive voltage is applied to emitter, the diode will become forward bias when input exceeds neta V sub BB and V sub D. The forward voltage drop across diode is given by V sub P is equal to neta V sub BB plus V sub D, where V sub P is equal to peak point voltage, V sub D is equal to forward voltage drop across silicon diode 0.7. Principle of operation: while operating on UJT, the supply voltage V sub BB is applied between B1 and B2, while the various emitter voltage V sub E is applied across the emitter terminal. The circuit arrangement is shown in figure 19. The potential at equal to neta V sub BB. Now we see the effect of change V sub BE. Circuit of determined UJT characteristic V2 RB1 VBB VE. Case number 1. When V sub E is less than V sub A, as long as V sub E is less than V sub A, the PN junction is reverse bias, hence emitter current will be now not flow and UJT is said to be off. Case 2. When V sub E is greater than V sub P, when V sub E becomes equal to R greater than V sub P, the PN junction is forward bias and current I sub E flow. UJT is said to be on. We can write V sub P is equal to V sub A plus V sub D is equal to neta V sub BB plus V sub D. The voltage drop V sub D is generally between 0.3 to 0.7 volt. UJT characteristic: the graph of emitter current against emitter voltage plotted for particular value of V sub BB is called the characteristic of UJT. For the particular value of BCB such characteristic is shown in figure 20. The characteristic is divided into three regions which are cuts off region. The emitter voltage VE is less than VP and PN junction is reverse bias. A small amount of reverse saturation current flow through the device which is negligible. Small the order mu a. This condition remains till the peak point. दूसरा negative resistance region, when the emitter voltage V becomes equal to V the PN junction becomes forward bias and emitter current I starting flowing. The voltage across the device decreases in the region through the current through the device increases, hence the region is called negative resistance region. The decreasing the resistance RB1. This region continue deal with value point. Cut off region, negative resistance region, peak point, saturation region, B 10 volt, value point B saturated B important MA value point. UJT characteristic, saturation region, increase in I further value point current I derived the device in saturation region. The voltage corresponding to value point is called value point voltage, represented as V in the region. Further decrease in voltage not take place as the V increase. The V corresponding to peak point will decrease. Application of UJT is mainly used in triggering of other devices such as SCR. It is also used in the sawtooth general and some timing circuit. The most popular application of UJT as relaxation oscillator to obtain start pulse of the triggering of SCR is discussed below. UJT relaxation oscillator figure 21. So UJT relaxation oscillator where the discharge of the capacitor through UJT can develop a sawtooth wave as shown in figure 22. R C R1 R1 R B2 R2 B सब इसमें EB अरे BB BC UJT as relaxation oscillator. दूसरा sawtooth wave from B P BC IT. When battery BB is turned on, the capacitor ceases charging through R. During the charging period, the voltage across the capacitor rises in a exponential manner until it reaches to peak voltage V. Now the voltage across the capacitor is large enough to forward based on the input diode. The capacitor start discharging under low resistance between the emitter based B1 region and resistor R1. The discharge process continues until reach a point where input diode is reverse biased and UJT is switched off. The next cycle then begin. Allow the capacitor C to charge again. The time period of the frequency of sawtooth wave can be calculated as follows. Assuming that the capacitor is initially uncharged, the voltage V across the capacitor prior to breakdown is given by V equal to V question में 1 minus e के घाते minus t बटा के RC, where R C is equal to charging time constant resistor capacitor circuit. The discharge of capacitor occurs when V C is equal to peak point voltage V नीटा V प्लस V D इक्वल टू V क्वेश्चन में 1 माइनस ई के घाते माइनस टी बटा के RC. द फॉरवर्ड वोल्टेज ड्रॉप्ड V D अक्रॉस द डायोड जनरली स्मॉल, देयरफॉर इट कैन बी निगलेक्टेड. नीटा V इक्वल टू V क्वेश्चन में 1 माइनस ई के घाते माइनस टी बटा के RC. नीटा इक्वल टू 1 माइनस ई के घाते माइनस टी बटा के RC. ई के घाते माइनस टी बटा के RC इक्वल टू 1 माइनस नीटा टी इक्वल टू RC लॉग बेस ई 1 बटा के 1 माइनस नीटा. टाइम पीरियड टी इक्वल टू 2.3 RC इक्वल टू लॉग बेस 10 1 बटा के 1 माइनस नीटा. फ्रीक्वेंसी सा टूथ वेव F इक्वल टू 1/T HZ. What write the construction and working of SCR 19 silicon control rectifier SCR. The SCR is a unidirectional device as and like diode it allow to flow current in only one direction, but unlike diode, it has a built-in a feature to switch on and off. Switching of SCR is controlled by additional input called gate and biasing condition. The switching property of SCR allows controlling on the on period of SCR, thus controlling average power delivered to the loads. Construction: the SCR is four-layer device where P and N layer are alternately arranged. The outer layer is heavily doped. There are three p-n junctions called J1, J2, J3. Construction में the SCR is four layers device where P and N layer are alternating arranged. The outer layer is heavily doped. There are three p-n junctions called J1 and J2 and J3. The outer P layer called anode, while outer N layer called cathode. Middle P layer is called gate. The three terminals are taken respectively from these three layers as shown in figure 23A. The 23B shown the symbol of SCR. Anode PN cathode, anode cathode, gate T heavily doped, lightly doped, gate heavily doped, cathode, anode, gate cathode. Symbol of SCR. Construction of SCR. Silicon control rectifier. Operator of SCR: in a silicon control rectifier, the anode is always kept at positive potential with respect to cathode. The operation of SCR divided into categories. When gate is open, consider that the anode is positive with respect to cathode and gate is open. The junction J2 is reverse bias while junction J1 and J3 are forward bias. There is depletion region around J2 and only leakage. Practical SCR is said to be in off state. This is called forward blocking state of SCR, and voltage applied the anode and cathode with anode positive is called forward voltage. Thus this is shown in figure 24. In forward blocking state, if the forward voltage is increased, the current remains almost zero up to certain limit. At a particular value, the reverse bias J2 break down and SCR construct heavily doped voltage is called forward break over voltage of SCR. In such condition, SCR is said to be on. Operation of SCR: when gate is open, forward voltage, depletion region, anode J1, J2, PN open G. When gate is closed, consider that the voltage is applied between the gate and cathode. When SCR is in forward blocking state, the gate is made positive with respect to cathode. The electrons from N-type cathode, which are majority carrier, cross the junction J3 to reach the positive half terminal of the battery, while the holes from P-types moves toward the negative terminal of battery. This constitutes the gate current. This current increases the anode current as sum of the electron cross junction J2, and anode current further increases due to regenerative junction. Within short time, the junction J2 breaks down and SCR conduct heavily. The circuit is shown in figure 25. On SCR conduct gate losses in control. Equivalent circuit of SCR. The SCR is shown in figure 26A may be visualized as combination of PNP and NPN transistor is shown in figure 26B. Thus, the equivalent circuit of SCR is composed of PNP transistor and NPN transistor connected as shown in figure 26E. Gate, anode, cathode, gate, anode, NPN, cathode, NP, P, NPN, gate, anode, cathode, T1, T. Okay. Two transistor analogy of SCR. The working of SCR can be easily explained from the equivalent circuit figure 27. So the equivalent circuit of SCR with supply voltage V and load resistance R6L with the supply voltage V less than breakdown on over voltage and switch S open. Here is no current is transistor T2, therefore no current is flow collector of T2 and hence the at of T1. Under such condition the SCR behave like a open switch is switched closed. Small based current flow through the base T2 which equivalent circuit of SCR is supplied with V. Means each collector current in increase the collector current T2 is the base current of T1, therefore the collector current of T1 increase the collector current of T1 is the base of current of T2. This action of a cumulative since an increased of current in the transistor caused an increased of current in the other transistor. As a result of action, both transistors are driven into saturation and heavy current flow through the loads R6L. Under the condition SCR behaves as the closed switch. SCR terminology. पहला फॉरवर्ड ब्रेकडाउन ओवर वोल्टेज. इन द मिनिमम फॉरवर्ड वोल्टेज गेट being open at switch SCR start conductively heavily turn on. Peak reverse voltage in it is the maximum reverse voltage cathode positive with respect to anode that can be applied to the SCR without conducting in reverse direction. तीसरा holding current. It is maximum anode current gate being open at SCR is turn off from the one condition. Forward current rating. It is the maximum anode current that an SCR is capable of passing without disruption. Characteristic of SCR. It is curved between anode and cathode voltage V and anode current I of an SCR are constant. Gate current figure 28 shown in VI. Characteristic of typical SCR. The characteristics are divided into two sections. Forward unsteady forward characteristic with closed forward blocking region, reverse blocking region. Reverse characteristic of SCR. Forward characteristic. When anode is positive with respect to a cathode, the curve between V and I is called forward characteristic. When I is equal to 0, the forward voltage increase up to break voltage over VO. The SCR turn on the high current result. It gate bias is used, then gate current increases less than it is required turn on SCR. Reverse characteristic. When anode is negative with the respect to cathode, the curve between V and I is called the reverse characteristic. If the reverse voltage is gradually increased at first, the anode current remains small, leakage current and the some reverse voltage advance breakdown occur at SCR start conducting heavily in reverse direction. The maximum reverse voltage at which SCR start conducting heavily is known as reverse breakdown voltage. SCR application. SCR half wave rectifier. One important application of SCR is the control half wave rectifier. Figure 29A shown the circuit of an SCR half wave rectifier. The AC supply the rectified is supplied through the transformer. The load of R6L is connected in the series of anode. A variable resistance are connected in the gate circuit control gate current. SCR half wave rectifier. Output wave WT SCR conduct omega T V/M V/I V/0 V/1 alpha. Output wave from operation. The AC supplied to the converted into DC supply is applied to the primary of the transformer. The peak reverse voltage appearing across the secondary is less than the reverse breakdown voltage of SCR. This condition ensure that SCR will not break down during the negative half cycle of AC supply. Therefore, during the negative half cycle of AC voltage, the SCR does not conduct. Regardless of the gate voltage, the SCR will conduct during positive half cycle. provided proper the gate current is made to flow, the greater the gate current, the lesser the supply voltage at SCR is turned on. The gate current can be changed by variable resistance R. Suppose the sufficient gate current flow to the on the SCR, then the instantaneous value of the applied voltage equal V1 from the figure 29b. It is clear that SCR will start conducting when secondary AC voltage become V1 in the positive half cycle. Beyond this, the SCR will continue to conduct till voltage becomes 0 again. At the start of the next positive half cycle, SCR will start conducting when the secondary voltage becomes V1. During positive half cycle, the angle alpha at which SCR start conducting is called triggering angle. The conduction angle at 180 minus alpha is applied AC voltage V. The average output voltage V is equal to 1/2 pi A2 180 Vm sin omega t d omega is equal to Vm बटा 2 pi A2 अल्फा टू 180 Vm sin omega t d omega is equal to Vm बटा 2 pi cos alpha minus cos 180 is equal to V sub इसमें m बटा 2 pi 1 plus cos alpha. Average current is given by I average is equal to V sub इसमें A V बटा RL is equal to V sub इसमें m बटा 2 pi RL क्वेश्चन में 1 plus cos alpha. The clearing angle alpha is equal to 0 1, then full positive half cycle will appear across loads R sub में L and output current becomes I sub में B is equal to B sub में m बटा 2 pi R sub में L. क्वेश्चन में 1 plus cos 0 is equal to B sub में m बटा pi R sub में L. This is the value of average current for ordinary half wave rectifier. If filtering angle alpha is equal to 90, then the average current is given by I sub में AB is equal to B sub में m बटा 2 pi RL. क्वेश्चन में 1 plus cos 90 is equal to B sub में m बटा 2 pi R sub में L. This shows that greater the flaring angle alpha, the smaller it is the average current. SCR full wave rectifier figure 38 shown the circuit of full wave rectifier on SCR conduct during positive half cycle and the other during negative half. Figure SCR full wave rectifier B output wave from SCR R sub में L, SCR1 SCR2 SCR3 V sub में cycle. Consequently, full wave rectifier output is obtained across the loads. The angle of conduction can be changed by adjust gate current. Suppose that the gate current so be adjust that SCR conduct at the secondary voltage across half winding become V1. The output waveform is shown in figure 30b. Operation during the positive half cycle of AC across the secondary, the upper ends of secondary is positive and lower ends is negative. This will cause SCR1 conduct. However, the conduction will start when the voltage across the upper half of secondary becomes V1 and shown in figure 30. During negative half cycle of AC input, the upper ends of secondary is negative and the lower ends becomes positive. This will cause SCR2 through conduct when the voltage across the lower half of secondary becomes V1. It may be seen that the current through the loads in same direction on both half cycle of input AC. If the applied voltage AC voltage V sub m sin omega t, the rectifier will conduct from alpha to 180 during positive and negative half cycle. The average output voltage is given by V sub में AB is equal to 1 pi alpha to 180 V sub m sin omega t d omega t is equal to V sub m बटा pi alpha to 180 V sub m sin omega t dt is equal to V sub में pi m बटा pi. क्वेश्चन में cos alpha minus 100 cos 180 is equal to V sub m बटा pi. क्वेश्चन में cos 1 plus cos alpha. Average circuit current is given by I sub में AB is equal to V sub में AB बटा I sub में L is equal to V sub में m बटा pi R sub में L. क्वेश्चन में 1 plus cos alpha. I sub में C are generally made of silicons. दूसरा IC are most commonly used monothelics. B monothelics. तीसरा cannot fabrication on IC as large inductor and transformation. D चौथा, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट फैब्रिकेट इन IC/D कैपेसिटर? When the emitter terminal of UJT is open, the resistor between the base terminal is generally a high. To on the UJT, the forward bias on the emitter diode should be more than the peak point voltage. Satwa, when the temperature increases, the strict stand-off ratio C essential remains same. अठवां, between the peak point of valley point of UJT emitter characteristic we have B negative resistance region. नौवां, an SCR is sometimes called the thyristor. 10वां, an SCR combine the feature of a rectifier of resistance. 11वां, an SCR is made of silicon and not germanium because silicon C has small leakage current. 12वां, an SCR is turned off when a anode current is reduced to 0. 13वां, if the fire angle is SCR circuit is increased, output C is decreased. 14वां, when SCR is off, the current is the circuit in B small leakage current. 15वां, the gate current is increased, then anode cathode voltage at with SCR closed A is decreased. 10वां, IC constant C both A and B. 17वां, an integrated circuit A has all active and passive component fabricated on single silicon chip. 18वां, first integrated circuit chip was developed by J.S. Kirby. 19वां, the most important advantage of IC is its very high reliability. B. 20वां, a photo transistor is a B transistor detecting device. 21वां, a photo transistor is transistor in CE configuration with a Bose open emitter grounded and CB junction reverse bias. 22वां, the number of alternate P and N layer is SCR C4. 23वां, a SCR terminal a anode cathode and gate. 24वां, a SCR is made silicon B. 25वां, the control terminal in SCR C gate. 26वां, when SCR is operation there is no control C gate. A SCR can be used and a rectifier. 38वां, a UJT can be called a double base diode. 29वां, a UJT has terminal a emitter based 1 and base 2. 30वां, after peak point UJT operated C negative resistance region. 31वां, in UJT the P type emitter is high doped. 32वां, a UJT act on C diode with 2 resistance. 33वां, in a UJT when UJT emitter is open, the resistance between the base is of order C 5 kilo ohm से 10 kilo ohm. 34वां, in on condition of UJT the resistive between the emitter and base I in B decreases. 35वां, a UJT can be used a oscillator. Complete. जय ओम नमः शिवाय.